Hey everyone, welcome to Will's Treasures. Thanks for stopping by today and spending some time with me. I've been back down pouring some copper. I'd like to show you some pieces that I've made just recently. You know I love my copper. And we're going to get right to it. We're going to weigh them up and take a look at them. Let me know what you think. I think I got some pretty cool pieces here. We'll go through them. Right here we have this fossilized fish. I think he came out pretty cool. Something a little different. We'll get a weight on it. We got 3.8 ounces. We'll go through them and let me know what you think, which one you like the best. We got this cool Indian headdress. Now, all my pieces are poured in copper, and then I put an antique finish on them. I do sell my pieces. They come with the COA. 2.4 ounces. Leave them so everybody can see them here. Here's a cool piece. We got the Kraken. The Kraken coming up, engulfing a ship. This is a nice chunky piece. Curious to see how much it weighs. 8.2 ounces. It does have a little pinhole right here. You can see it. But it does not detract from the beautiful detail. So 8.2 ounces. We got this creepy mushroom. Look at that. Lots of detail in this piece. 2.7. Got this beautiful arrowhead. .3 ounces. Now, I sand cast all these pieces. Sand cast them, sand them down. There's a lot of work that goes into a piece, you know, and then I antique them. Here's a Grim Reaper. Now, this piece didn't pour totally, but I really like the way it came out. You know, if you look at it on the table, it really has a creepy look to it. What I like about it is this little skull right on the chest came out. If that didn't come out, I probably wouldn't have kept it and spent the time refinishing it. But I think it, even for a mistake, it really looks pretty damn cool. 2.2 ounces. We're going to call that the Soulless Grim Reaper. We have this Copper Bulldog. This is a super chunky piece. Lots of detail. Tipping the scale at 8.6 ounces. Couple more to go. This one has some great detail in the face and in the helmet and the beard. Really cool piece. 3.8 ounces. We got one more to go. The heaviest piece of the day. We have this awesome squirrel. Look at the detail that I captured. The tail. The eyes. It's a chunky piece. Look how thick it is. I'm going to weigh this one up. 11.2 ounces. So that's all I got. I've been downpouring again. Took a break for a little bit. Let me know what piece you like the best. I'm glad you stuck and hung out until the end. This is Will from Will's Treasures, and I'll catch you on the next video.